I'm back here in Yanshui Beehive Fireworks Festival. Let's do it in regular broadcast mode. Check this out. Yeah, it's a little cold. Just a little cold. This marks the last night of the Chinese New Year festivities. Check this out. I want to show you guys this in a regular broadcast. This is all of the firecrackers. The guy's got the torch here. He's ready to light this thing. I want to do this in the regular broadcast. Check all this out. This is going to go any second now, so I am bringing you this here. This could be one of the biggest ones in the streets outside of the cages that they have here. They do this, they originally did this to blow away a cholera plague that was here in the 1800s. That's why they still do this to this day. It marks a time when a lot of people in this town were dying from cholera. It was a plague that affected this place for 20 years. They had no Western medicine. They didn't know what to do. They prayed to their war god. They blew off a whole bunch of firecrackers and fireworks in the street, and the plague was gone overnight. That is the story. You like the regular scope? Well, I'm giving you both here, my friend. This is travel, Far East Adventure Travel. We aim to please. These girls are cold. They're moving everybody out. Hey, John. Ready to burn it all tonight, man. Hello, Japan. educate you and enrich you about the culture of Taiwan, I must bring you these things. Hang in there, this is all fireworks. They're going to blast this stuff. You're going to see it all here. Happy New Year. 新年快乐 Happy New Year. Hey. 谢谢谢谢。Welcome everybody, this is the Yanshui Beehive Fireworks Festival, and it's just going to get crazy, it's just going to get crazy. Okay, it's gonna get nuts. I might run. I might make a run for it. My jacket is actually, the jacket is fluctuating. That's right. I've never stayed that late, but they say it goes till 5 in the morning, and it's almost 4 p.m. here in Taiwan, Southern Taiwan. And this is just, if you just joined us, this is a celebration. Goes way back to the 1800s. And they use firecrackers and prayers to rid the town of a plague. And they still do this ritual to this day. And it's the final day of Chinese New Year festivities, or Lunar New Year festivities here, well, around the world and in Taiwan. Here we go. This is it. Oh, geez. It's gonna go. This one is gonna be really loud. Whoa, there's like a fireball. Hey guys, thanks so much. I'm going to be coming back. I'm almost out of juice here on my phone. I got to recharge. I'm coming back though. I got 15 gig. I'll burn it all tonight if I have to. Last night at Chinese New Year celebrations, Lunar New Year celebrations here. I hope you're hearing me. If you're not, 谢谢谢谢，新年快乐 ，See you soon. Yeah. 谢谢谢谢。